Hi, this is Marianne and welcome back to my channel. And today I will show you my work and let's make landosel. And you need your yarn of your choice and your hook. So to start it, I will make 15 chain for her size. Mostly when I'm making for smaller dolls, I will just make 11 chain. And let's do single crochet for 17 rounds. Just a pointer that you need to make it rectangular shape and not a square. So this is my 17th round and this will be the front side of the bag. And now let's do back loop only. This will be the bottom side of the bag and let's do this for 4 rounds. So I'm done with my 4 rounds and now let's do back loop again, and this will be for the back side of the bag. And the purpose of doing back loop is to make that ribbing or edge effect, just like what we have in our bag. So I'm done with my 17th round for the back side, and now we will do front loop. It's because of our position of where we are now. So instead of back loop, I will do front loop of single crochet for about 19 rounds. And if you want to make a square shape of top cover, you can add more 2 rounds of single crochet, but this time I want to make a little curves, so I will skip 1 stitch and I will decrease at the center and skip 1 stitch at the end. And for the last round, skipping 1 stitch the start and skipping 1 stitch at the end, and cut your yarn. Now for the next part, let's do 18 chain and single crochet for 4 rounds, and let's make 2 pieces of this. Now is to combine or to join these 2 parts together by single crochet, and I'm using this different shade of purple. So I will just single crochet all around until I reach my starting point. And along the way, I will just hide some tails to lessen our times for hiding tails. And this will be a good time to hide them as possible. And let's do a cleaning part, hiding tails and cutting the excess. And the next part will be the strap. So for this size, I will make 100 chains, and I will put marker on the center part or the half part, which is the 50 chain, so that I will know where my center for the backpack. And after making 100 chains, I will just do 30 slip stitch and 10 single crochet and 10 half double crochets. So this will be the center part, and I put 3 chains and do this other side like 10 half double crochet and 10 single crochet and 30 slip stitch, and that's it. So we will just stitch this at the back side, and be careful to not twist the strap, because I made it last time that the other side of the strap was twisted, so it's not pretty. Okay, just stitch this side and the other side and also the center, and if you want to secure them with a glue, just do it. And now for the last part, let's add magic tape. And also I'm adding a cardboard to secure the shape. And you can decorate your bag just like mine with a mini bow. You can put flowers or ribbons and it's done. So thank you for accompanying me today, and I hope you got an idea for your next project. See ya! Happy crocheting!